Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. In today's video, we can see you're going to learn how to find character AI creators. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI. Then after here, you can see the chats. Then tap on create AI that you want to see who is the creator. Then over here, you can see their profile or their name. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of authored by XOMU. He or she is the owner of this. They have created. I have created this character, so let's see, does it show my name? Yeah, this is my name. So that's how you find a character AI creator. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.